play pure WJH comment wa yo company opportunity o pentimedian dari na Wailadmiki Shylla MLA naga Jowai Assembly constituency wa jo ipor lek so ka district president yong ka West Jaintia district. See, when I firstly joined politics, that is when I started in 2017. So at that time when I look around, I saw people are tired of all the parties in the state, and really the people of the state want a change. So that's why, and especially when I know regarding the life story of our late PA Sangma, who is the leader of our party, is quite similar of mine. The struggle, the hardship which he has faced during his childhood. So it has encouraged me. So it has made me more interest. So that's why I joined them, and I'm very happy today that I'm able to be a part of this party and contribute in whatever capacity they find me fit. So firstly, because I just recently appointed as a district president only the last 3-4 months. So I won't say as a district president, but as a member of the NPP, till now the moment which I feel proud to be in this party is that when our Honorable Chief Minister, who is the national president of the party, was chosen to be the leader to lead the delegation to union government regarding the issue of CAB. At that time where the whole Northeast looked forward toward our Chief Minister, who is the national president, to be the leader of Northeast. That is still now is like I feel proud to be in this party under his leadership. NPP firstly is like people should know that, and very recently that NPP is now a national party, but with a regional focus. What happened? What is the difference with other parties? That their leader, their high command is sitting in Delhi. So for any small decision, they have to wait for weeks, and then they have to rush to Delhi. But it's not like that with NPP. NPP, it started from here and from Meghalaya, and it focused the issues of Meghalaya and the Northeast as a whole. So like it's quite different. What you say means like if you can directly meet the leader of the party, you can directly share your issues and concern. So this is the means like what I say the main important differentiating point of the NPP from the other party. But yeah, we can say regional party also are there. But like they said, in regional party, it's limited only in Khasi and Jaintia or maybe in Garos. But means they don't have that national thing. What they cannot take the voices of the people up to Delhi. That is the different which make NPP is totally different from other parties. No, see, veteran leaders are very important because this is a governance. So means like we need people with brainy people which have experience and all. But at the same time, we cannot neglect. We need youth as well to run things. So that's why I'm very happy to see now like NPP is like complete in that term that we have veteran leader as well, and also we have youth MLA, young MLAs as you can see in our party as well. Even our Chief Minister also is quite young. But it's not that means we are having young team. We don't feel the importance of the veteran leaders. No, we have veteran leaders in our party as well, which we always take the guidance from them how to take the party forwards. WJH comment yo khamtam nga terpado mo pentui khna khandro yang rilom Jaintia. Meba ngau khna phi la compare phi. Lada compare phi wagani ke sarkar ha jingelam yung NPP wa tu ki sarkar wa chadin te ki jingerap tu yo khna khanro hagani ke sarkar ha jingelam yung sar Conrad Sangma ki policies ki program ki assistance wa yo khna khanro kamaman katni is uncomparable wa ki sarkar yuar แต่ในใจดาวเงาคนตู้อีขณะกันโรสเงาผ่าจันกี้แหละได้ชนะกี่แต่อีขณะกันโรจันให้ปอร์วริมรับยารุยอกุปอยชิสเกตเรียเวียเชมกิวชีฟมินิสเตอร์เวียเชมกิวกี MLA อูเชร์กิวคอนเซิร์นยังที่ตั้งให้กับปาร์ตี้ NPP ยังเมมรับใจที่ยอเวียเชมนั่นดูให้อดูเพียนแต่งาkan tu iki kena terus nyapa di kete ke support ko chongchip ya ke parti NPP kama di yogi ke parti NPP yang i kena do i MLA ke dang khandro mi ke tim ko wa mo ko krek chutom nei ben tau kun tu kun rong wai dari ke parti yang i nang kong hi ke jengel lam chief minister they realize ko beto kama man katte more than 50% of the population is youth Nei tay daw em kam how focus let them take it side by side yaki youth in ye i alam yang stage dan nei tay daw ma kan tu yaki kan khandro yang lom Jaintia yang egi ya ka di kan chan ya ka pat ye yang ni Jaintia jing he ka party ne ba la dio phi man ga sin kat kam man kat ni man chua hi por mo agi ni ki la da phai system arsnem man chua Porok baik, dia banyak parti. Oh, parti NPP go mankan ni, parti NPP go mankan tay. Tangpan mana pagi kamu mankan ni, dayo pi guru kiwa mempoi perkhati. Mempoi perkhati tu, tangwan ni baik le. Yo baik ni, ya kejing stretch top, ya kejing ke efforts kiwa perchang ke parti NPP. Kamu mankan te, you not touching issue, nado ke border issue, hado ke gua pengpura tay ya ke age. Yang ini ko nang apply kam sarkar ado ke issue yang ga them motor issue go per issue yang moyong thai porno porwa cha khang moyong por rilom Jaintia yang ikat wan ga suffer yang ka tai ki yang ki nong chong chnong yang rilom Jaintia yang i thai tui por ga sarkar ma kwa ki le hai tui por wood ma file ki chek lai ki chekmat u le ye tu padi ye ki pon lai ye tu le ang mem ga effort ni yang government berim kanai tai da ma pun tu yang baik kamu di yogi kamu mankat teks isi aku meni kamu di yogi kamu tu kanai ti I kamu mankat te every week yogi da priang yogi leader ngadang recently le for rilom Jaintia dang priang URL tariang we know MLA minister warim nagar rilom Jaintia te yong I te use kiri mut ke jingwan yang berugat te mangas ni baik tua nang dang I mensin ye nang priang bor ke yohan pia indang le ye pakala ile hi ho em baik jing kena tangwa siapa komen ni hanpia em hi ko fight le em hi ko yo le wei ko siapa komen choi wo to itu ki group leaders tu chna ngai ko man tu chisen kasni ki nong ni kmat kan ni wan di chru ko i wo e ki support o kre la ko kon he choi pa